Alright, so we just got back from an action-packed weekend at the Overland Expo Pacific Northwest in Redmond, Oregon, and let me tell you, we had a time. But most importantly, we got to check out Benchmade's upcoming 2024 Season 2 products. To kick things off, let's check out what's new with Benchmade's hunt line, the new mini tagged outs. The tagged out series is a compact EDC hunt folder, and now they're cutting back on weight with 3 new mini variants, featuring all the same materials as the bigger version. First off, we got this orange grivery handle paired with the CPM 154 stainless steel blade, the OD green G10 handle with the CPM S45 VN, and my personal favorite, this carbon fiber handle paired with this orange Cerakote CPM MagnaCut blade. Next on the list, and the knives that I'm most excited about, are the new burnt copper Osbornes. These come with 3 different variants. We've got the regular 940 BK-03, the mini 945 BK-03, and the 9400 BK-03 auto. So these new Osbornes are rocking burnt copper scales with a CPM MagnaCut battle wash finished blade, and I'm stoked on these ones.
John,
What's up, man?
pocket check, what do you got?
I got the new 940 BK -03. So we got burnt copper handle scales here, CPM MagnaCut blade steel with our black battle wash finish. This thing is awesome. First time we've done MagnaCut in a 940, so I'm pretty stoked. I think a lot of people are pretty excited about it.
Sick.
Now we've also got these new mini versions of the iconic Narrows, one of the most slim, ultra lightweight, premium compact EDCs on the market. And it's even lighter now. The new mini variant sports the same materials with a CPM 20 CV drop point blade. We got the regular gray Narrows, and it also comes in this super sleek blacked out version as well. Now of course we can't get much further into this without checking out the most popular EDC knife out there, the bug out. So we've got a few different variants of this one coming up. We've got the 535 BK-07 bug out with burnt brass scales. It's got these nice turquoise accents and a DLC Battle Wash M390 blade. Now we've also got a dark olive grivery and Desert Verde Cerakote with an S30V blade, and this rust orange grivery handle variant with the same blade. They're also releasing a new mini bug out which sports a daybreak yellow grivery handle paired up with an S30V blade. And now we definitely can't forget about the new seasonal color on these bug outs. This is the brand new dark purple grivery, and it was insanely popular at the show. It's featured on the new 533 mini bug out paired with a Cerakote tungsten S30V blade that's also got this epic purple PVD mini deep carry clip and a purple anodized barrel spacers and a thumb stud. This new seasonal color also makes an appearance on the most popular OTF, or out the front. The new 5370 GY-06 Shootout is rocking the dark purple grivery handle with a CPM Crewwear blade and a purple PVD deep carry pocket clip as well. Next in the lineup, we've got a slick new variant of this hard use utility knife. It's the 431 BK-1 Readout. Now they come with a Ranger and forest green grivery handle, and they're paired up with a CPM D2 blade and this beautiful cobalt finish. This Readout is also going to come with a serrated version as well. And the next folder on the list are these absolute tanks, the 593 BK and 593 BK-1 PSKs. These things are meant for hard use outdoors or survival experiences, and the 593 BK sports a gray G10 bolster and OD green G10 handle paired with a CPM MagnaCut steel blade and a cobalt Cerakote finish. Now on the other hand, this 593 BK-01 is rocking this carbon fiber and black G10 handle paired with a CPM MagnaCut blade, black Cerakote finish, and I'm super stoked on these. Look at these new survival tools. And finally, an all-purpose fixed blade designed for general purpose, outdoor, or everyday carry. It's the 203 and the 203 BT-01 Dacian. The 203 sports a blue denim micarta handle with copper PVD hardware, a CPM MagnaCut blade, and a russet brown molded sheath. And the 203 BT-01 has a brown canvas micarta handle with a CPM MagnaCut blade and this epic crater blue finish. It even comes with a crater blue molded sheath. And I don't know about you guys, but this new Season 2 lineup from Benchmade has me crazy stoked to fill my pockets with something new.